Hello friends, I am Rekha More and today we are going to discuss on the topic of Hitop's rule from the chapter number 2 electrolytic conductance. Hitop's rule: when the electric current is passed through a solution, concentration of solution change in the vicinity of the electrode. The change in concentration of the solution near the electrode directly related to the velocity of ions moving toward respective electrode, and electrovalent quantities of product are liberated at the respective electrode. Friend, as we know that velocity is denoted by V. If we want to find the velocity of cation, that velocity of cation denoted by V plus and velocity of anion denoted by V minus. Now look toward the diagram. There is the three compartment. This is nothing but one of the container. This container is divided into three part. One is anodic part, second is middle part, and third one is cathodic part. Friends, here anode is denoted as positive electrode, cathode is denoted as a negative electrode, and this is nothing but the electrolytic cell. Now when we pass the electric current toward from the solution, what happened? The migration of ions are take place. Now look toward the figure number 2.8. The four anions is moved from one place to the another place, and four cation is moved for one place to the another place. Here what will be happen? The positive ions move toward the negative electrode and negative ions move toward the positive electrode, and that movement of ions is stabilized by the middle portion, and this is nothing but the V plus is equal to V minus, means speed of anions is equal to speed of cations. Now we go toward the next part. There is some cases we have to study. What is the condition related to such a type of the commencement of electrolysis? Due to passage of 4 Faradays of electricity through the solution, 4 equivalent of negative ion in the anode compartment will give up electron to the anode and will deposit similarly 4 equivalent of positive ions in the cathode. Whatever we discuss in front of diagram, that each and every statement is given in that form. The deposition of ions in the form of 4 equivalent, and it's completely depend on how much electricity is passed. Deposition is the second state. When these change are take place at the electrodes, ion migrate through the solution. Since the speed of ions in the same 2 Faradays of electricity must be transported by cations from left to right and same by the anions from right to left. Means what? The same amount of the electricity is carried by the anions, and same amount of the electricity is carried by the cations, and therefore the concentration of the middle portion is a constant. The final result is third. Now when we go toward the 2.8, in that case what happened? This is a case number 2. There is also 3 compartment: anodic compartment, cathodic compartment, and middle portion. Now look toward that. In this figure they are denoted V plus is not equal to V minus. What will be happen? Now look toward the anions, means negative part is go toward the anode, positive parts is go toward the cathode, but some uneven positive and negative charge or uneven positive and negative ions are moved from one place to the another place, and that's not the balance. And what will be happen in this case? When the speed of the ions is unequal, the quantity of electricity passed is still 4 Faradays, but the speed of anions is 3 times that of cations, and the number of ions is denoted the speed of ions. If in this case what happened, the speed of anion is 3 times, means what? The anions is move faster than the cations, and if anions move faster than the cations, obviously the electricity carried by the anions is maximum than the cation. Okay. and therefore in this case velocity of cation cannot be matched with the velocity of anions. And on that basis of observation, when we find the ratio of V plus by V minus, we will be get 1 by 3, because the loss in concentration in the central compartment, and concentration of anions from the cathode compartment is 3 times that of cations from the anode compartment. Okay, I hope you understand. And this leads to Hittorf's rule that loss in equivalence of cations at anode due to migration is denoted by V plus, and whatever the electricity is carried by that, that transference is known as the transport number, denoted by T plus, upon loss in equivalent of anions at cathode due to migration. And we will be get the Hittorf's rule. As per the Hittorf's rule, V plus by V minus is equal to sorry T plus by T minus. Since the total current passed through the electrolytic cell expressed in equivalent is proportional to T plus plus T minus is equal to 1, and above equation can be written as loss in cations equivalent at anode due to migration, equivalent of current pass, and we know that T plus plus T minus is equal to 1, and we will be get T plus by 1 is equal to T plus. And same thing in case of T minus, loss in anions equivalent at anode due to migration, equivalent of the current pass is equal to T minus. Okay friends, now this is our last slide, and in this way we have completed the Hittorf's rule. This PPT I will be sent to you on Google Classroom also. Friends, in our next video we will be discuss about determination of transference or transport number. In this case we will be studied the 3 method. First is the Hittorf's method, second one is the moving boundary method, third one is electromotive force measurement. Friends, you should be ready for this. Thank you very much.